Withdrawing money from YouTube TV to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the transaction successfully. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Log into your YouTube TV account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account linked to your payment information. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Payment Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment or Billing section. Here, you can view your current payment methods and any balance available for withdrawal. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. If you have a balance available, look for an option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details if they are not already saved. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw and complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation once the process is successful. Once you've completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank statement for the transaction confirmation.